Alright, so for the feedback in my different lessons, the first lesson I will review the graphic organizer that the students created, and I will write down some notes or critique what they wrote so that they can visually see how their answers are and maybe different answers of what I was looking for. In the second lesson, when the students create the 2 to 3 sentences, I can take a look at those and again give them feedback on how they answered the questions. And if they were missing some ideas as well, then I could write down so that they know what they do need to look for. And then for the final lesson, I'll be leading the discussion during the co-teaching segment. And this will be more of like verbal feedback to how all the students in the class come up with their answers to the guided questions that I come up with. So those are some of the ways the feedback that students will get, both verbal and written response.